Hello, Lonely Roses dancers, members, and students. This is Suska over here, so I am doing a quick, fun, spooky Halloween tutorial, a couple movements for you all, so enjoy. So we're going to get right into it. Alright, so these are one of my two top favorite spooky movements, and this could be combined with any type of spooky dance or your costume. It could be happy, it could be scary, it could be whatever you want it to be, but enjoy these combos. So we are going to start with the feet work first. So the feet work is going to look like this. So we're going to step forward, bring the leg front, step back, side touch, and side touch. This is what it looks like with the feet. So this is what our feet is going to be doing. Okay, so follow along. When we step with our right foot forward, bring the left foot kind of touch, but our weight is still going to be on the right. And then we go back onto the left, touch with that right foot. Now to the side, get that left foot, kind of touch near the foot, and then go to the left with that right foot and kind of touch a little bit by the other foot. We're going to repeat to the front, right, and that left foot back, left, right foot back, right, side, left, side. Alright, so this is like a basic waltz. This is not the waltz box, but this is the side step and forward. Forward, touch, back, touch, side, touch, side, and bring that right foot back. So let me go ahead and repeat it again. It's going to be forward, bring that left, then left back, slide that right foot, and slide to the side, and slide to the left, and bring that foot back. So it's going to look like this. Right, back, right, left, bring that foot, we're kind of touching and sliding. Forward, right, bring that left foot back, left step, slide to the right, slide to the left, and bring that other foot back. So we want our weight to still be on that foot. This one free. Now repeat. Forward, back, side, and side. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you guys have some more questions on the feet work, contact me in inbox and in the classes. So let's play some music to that. Here we go. So the count is going to be waltz count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, back, side, side, forward, back, side, side, forward, back, and side, side. Alright? So for step, and side, and side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure that when you guys step, you are keeping all that weight on the front. This foot slides This foot stays here. When you step back, this foot slides. When you step to the side, all the weight is on the right. This is free to go to the left, but you want to drag it in to the side of your foot. All right? All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the feet work to that basic waltz. So here's the next step, the nice combo hands that I like for a spooky Halloween move. So basically, I really enjoy this, grabbing and getting my pinky and thumbs and going like that. Okay, so basically I'm like moving my arm towards me, and then I'm going like this, folding, and that. Okay, so we're going to be going out, loop that in, and watch my fingers, and like that. Okay, so I'm doing a pinky, so my hand is basically like that, and I'm going like that. So you do pinky, index, middle, and then you get that thumb in, and then like that. So if you guys want to do like a spooky dance, this is a cool combo that I like. So this would be perfect with that feet combo that I'm doing. So we'll look like this. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, back, side, and the last step we go spooky hand. Alright, I don't know if you guys could see me. So it goes like this. Feet work, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, back, side. Then the last step when we bring that foot in, we do our hand. Alright, repeat it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So our hand is going to go out and out to the side, and when we close to the last movement, get that Halloween hand in there. Alright, let's do that to some music. Here we go. If you guys have any questions, please contact me and let me know. Here we go. Alright, let's do it together. Follow along with the feet and my hands. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and get that hand. Repeat forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, hand. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope you guys understood all the combos. So let's go ahead and do those combos to music. Okay? Here we go. Okay, we're going to start with the foot. Here we go. Get our hand forward, back, side, and side with the fingers. There you go, repeat. Forward, back, side, side, fingers. Forward, back, side, side, and fingers. Get that spooky hand. Again. Forward, back, side, side, hand, forward, back, side, side, and get that hand, pinky, index, middle, thumb, 1, 2, 3. Here you go. Here's what it looks like for the ground, for the feet. The hand, we go forward, up, back, side goes back up, and the side with the end, spooky Halloween hand.